Good morning, patchworkers, quilters and fellow fabric lovers. Here we are today with another Quiltopia update. And I'm here with Jackson from the House of Jackson. How are you this morning?
Thanks, Mel.
That's good. Now listen, don't forget guys, subscribe to my channel down below. Make sure you hit that notification bell to make sure you've got all those updates for this great Quiltopia event. So Jackson, how are you? We're going to be talking about what you're doing at Quiltopia.
I'm going to be doing some fun classes. Not quite sure what they're going to be,
no,
but they're going to be fun.
We do keep a little secrets and that sort of thing.
Yeah.
So Jackson, where are you from?
I'm from Armdale, so it's always cold, which gives me a reason to make quilts.
Yes, definitely. Yeah, that's a good reason. Yeah. And how did you start in the industry? How did you get here?
Well, ages ago, I started with a challenge from my nan to make a lumberjack hat.
Yes.
After seeing one I liked and couldn't buy one new, so Mum made me one, and I was just like, oh, I can do that.
Yes.
She told me I was stupid. 3 attempts later, she was the stupid one. I nailed it.
You nailed it.
And it just went from there.
Yes.
I then did the markets for 4 years.
Yes, as we do. Yes.
So that gave me a lot of experience in the best way to make stuff to get the best results in the shortest time period as well.
Of course, yes.
Just working with time frames was a big factor in markets.
Yes.
So yeah, doing the markets, and then I had a quilt. I was like, yeah, I made it. Did walking for quilting. I was like, maybe I should quilt my own free motion, and then just started falling in love with patchwork and quilting more.
Yes.
And I was like, you know what? I don't want to make 1,000 things. I just want to make one quilt.
Make a quilt.
So I did, and it just kept going. And then I thought, why not share my passion and inspire other people, in particular younger people, to sew? Yeah. And that's what I'm doing. Just getting everyone inspired. Hopefully. Inspired,
yes. And I'm going to say it. How old are you, Jackson?
17.
17. Oh my God, this is so good to get the young ones in on patchworking and quilting. Come on down to Quiltopia. Don't forget, 3rd to 6th of October, we're at Rose Hill Events Centre. And Jackson, you're running a few classes, as we said. You're going to be doing some classes. We're not going to tell you what it is just yet, but we're going to. You're going to have some classes announced soon. All right. And you can book in. You can come down. You can see Jackson. It's going to be a fantastic weekend down there. And Jackson, you're excited. You've been travelling around as well, doing lots of things.
I've been doing a bit of travelling lately.
Yes, we do that with all that. All right, guys. So Jackson, thank you so much for having this little chat with me and this little update on Quiltopia. All right, so guys, don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a look at it all. Subscribe, hit that bell. At the end of the video, we will have some updated ones that we've got of other interviews for Quiltopia, so you can watch those as well. And Jackson, thank you again, and we will see you at Quiltopia. All right, thank you. Awesome. Happy sewing, guys.